having the same bend right here going down. Bolt that to the mast, and it sits. It's something a little bigger. It's really simple when you see it. It's like, oh my God, it's really cool. You follow me? The mast, the big long thing.
For a boat?
The boat. Right now, the mast bolts right on the 4 little pins sticking up, so you have to use a crane.
Oh,
You got
okay,
me?
Okay, yeah.
This is a hinge. So you bolt that on, and you have another U-shaped thing on the boat. It's 2 bolts here. You stand it up, and you just bolt the other side. You'll see when I'm done. It's like primitive.
Okay.
Very primitive. I need a little straight edge. I was overthinking the whole thing. You ever done that, where you overthink things, and it's like, look, I just need to get out there and do it.
Yeah.
Hi. See, I'm measuring from the inside of this. I got to double measure the width of the thing before I do this bend.
Oh, okay.
See, this is a bend. I got to come to the car trailer.
Yeah. So it won't be curvy.
So I got my measurements. You know, I have to 4.5 wide. See, it's 4.5 right there. I got to double check how wide that thing is. I think I wrote it down at 3 7/8. You know, it's oval shaped. Then, however thick this is, that's how much you got to cut off the mast. You all right? Will it work?
Only one way to find out.
This one ain't making you trip too good there.
Might have to readjust one up.
Yeah, you basically got, you can. It either makes it or it doesn't. You follow me? Let me see here how strong it is. It worked great. I might have to get a whole nother one of those. That thing's pretty fried. I'm going to put some serious. See where I heated it already?
Yes.
So what I was trying to say was, see, feel that right there with your finger.